This is Wesley Dodson at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS Convertible. This is a rare car. It has a California fold-down rear seat. Really cool car, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have questions, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any car that we have. But we're going to take a look at this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro right here. This car is finished in triple black. Absolutely gorgeous. Just a beautiful car. And we're going to take a look at it, show you how deep the paint is on this car. Just absolutely gorgeous, straight black, triple black. And I'll show you the passenger side of the interior here. Oh, nice and clean. All the dash looks good. Just absolutely gorgeous car. All the seats look good. Show you this fold down rear seat. You can see all the hinges there, both sides. They did put a stereo system in the fold down part. Really cool. Love that. So really nice there. I'll show you inside the trunk here. Oh, let me show you the doors. Doors shut easy. Brand new wheels and tires. We just put them on. Show you inside the trunk here. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully. All nice and clean. It's got all the shakers. Shut the trunk. He's gonna start it up for me. Absolutely beautiful car. Super nice, super clean. Put it in gear there. Like I said, doors shut easy. Let me show you underneath the hood here. This is powered by a small block 350 blueprint engine, power steering, power disc brakes. Just absolutely beautiful. It's got brand new headers on it. Just beautiful chrome underneath the hood. Looks fantastic. All right, I'm gonna shut the hood. We'll take one more quick look at the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible SS. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. and we'll be glad to help you with any questions that you have. All right, we're gonna go for a test drive here and see how this car drives. All right, we're gonna take this Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. Nice day here in Kentucky. We got Greg driving. So
let's do it.
We're gonna take this for a test drive. See how it does. If we could just get the traffic to be off the road, it would be a lot better.
Old town muscle.
All the light up gauges work. You got a nice radio in it. All right, here we go. as we head back, like we do every time, I'm gonna have him get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this car's made of. All right, here we go. Good power, shifts through all the gears the right way. It will absolutely run, but it's a good driving car too. So however you want to use the car, it's fantastic. Top down, top up, either way works great. All right, we are almost back here. Like we do every time, we will show you what it looks like underneath. If you have questions, give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's the underneath.